Creating stunning music videos requires the presence of stunning visuals, and that's why in this video, I will be sharing 20 AI camera angles to help you make stunning AI music videos.
We're doing this with Grok AI, and I'm not alone. I brought along some of your favorite music stars.
Without wasting time, let's jump into the 20 AI camera moves you need to make stunning AI music videos step by step.
I remember I remember eating crumbs, sharing one plate, 2 spoons, slippers on a rainy road, laughing just to hide the wounds. Late nights talking to the moon, asking will I make it through. Every door closed in my face, still I walked in faith. I'm a self-riser, from the dust to the sky I go higher. Nobody held my hand, I still climbed up, tears on my shirt, but my head stayed up. Self-riser, turn the scars to a song, I'm on fire. Even when they left me in the dark alone, see me shining, and I made it on my own. I remember old red sand on my feet, dreams in my bag, neighbors saying know your place. I just smiled and walked away. Mama's voice inside my head, try you stronger than you think. Every time the world said quit, I just tightened up my fit. I'm a self-riser, from the dust to the sky I go higher. Nobody held mine, I still climbed up, tears on my shirt, but my head stayed up. Self-riser, turn the scars to a song, I'm on fire. Even when they left me in the dark alone, you see me shining, I made it on my own. I remember that. I remember that. If you had nothing, come sing with me. If you felt lonely, come stand by me. We turned that hunger into belief. From broken pieces, we built our peace. Self-riser, 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 self-riser. I remember eating crumbs, sharing one plate, 2 spoons, slippers on a rainy road, laughing just to hide the wounds. Late nights talking to the moon, asking will I make it through. Every door closed in my face, still I walked in faith. I'm a self-riser, from the dust to the sky I go higher. Nobody held my hand, I still climbed up, tears on my shirt.
You found value in today's tutorial. Tell me which of these AI camera moves you'll be trying in the comment section. Remember to give this video a like, drop a comment, and click subscribe if you haven't. See you in my next video.